Hi dear students, welcome back to our IT class. Today we will discuss our chapter 2, The Wonderland of Pictures. In this chapter we will study an image editing software GIMP. I know you all are interested in drawing pictures and coloring it, aren't you? Okay. Then we will discuss this chapter in detail. GIMP is a graphic editor software used for editing digital pictures and photographs. It is a free software, that is, we can download this particular software freely from the internet. How can we open the GIMP? Click on Applications and then Graphics and then take GNU Image Manipulation Program. This is a GIMP software. And then here we can see a lot of tools that will be work on the canvas. Then let us open a picture in GIMP. Here click on File and then click Open. From this image we can select any particular image from the list and then click Open. Okay. Now let us cut a part of the picture we need to use. We don't want this all picture. We need only a small portion, means we can cut by using a particular tool from the toolbox. But one thing, if we edit and save the picture opened in GIMP, the original picture will be lost. If we made any changes, that will be applied in our original picture. So to avoid this, let us make a duplicate of the picture and do the editing on it. First of all, we want to prepare a duplicate of this figure. Then we can make all the changes in that particular figure. Okay, then how we can prepare a duplicate? We can use a shortcut key as Ctrl D, or other ways click on Duplicate in the Image menu. Click on the image menu and select duplicate, and the shortcut key for preparing a duplicate image is Ctrl plus D. Just click here and a duplicate image will be created. Okay, then how can we identify the original picture from the duplicate one? Here we can see on the title bar Untitled is displayed. In our original figure, the name of that particular picture will be displayed. Okay, then the untitled imaged file is our duplicate image. Okay, then we can make any changes in this particular picture. First of all, we are going to crop or cut any particular portion from this figure. Okay, here we can see for cut or crop, there is a crop tool. Okay, just click on the crop tool and drag on the portion where we want to cut. Just drag on the portion where we want to cut. Then click Enter key. Then we can see a part of the picture we need. That particular portion will be displayed on the figure. Okay. Now let us resize the picture. Resize means we can increase or decrease the size of the figure. Okay, size of this picture. How we can increase or decrease the size? Click on the image tab and then select scale image. Okay, here we can see the width and height. We can increase or decrease. It's the original size. Suppose if we need to increase that particular size, means we can click here and we can increase the width and height, and then click scale. Okay, then we can see that picture became increased, or the size of the picture became increased. Okay, then okay, we will today you practice all these things and we can continue on the next class. Okay, thank you for watching.